Kev Weather Overview, back with you again. This is the May outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, and they are going with above normal temperatures, a pretty good likelihood across much of the United States, much of the lower 48 states. Now, they actually have out a May, June, and July outlook, and it's very warm over the 3 month period. They are very bullish on the idea that it is going to be a warm spring and potentially a warm first half of the summer 2021. Now, in the Northeast, it's always a challenge to figure out, what constitutes above and below normal temperatures, especially considering our close proximity to the ocean. And I want to give you an idea of what we're looking at as far as what the temperatures have been at Central Park. And you can see here that right next to the number 1, that would be April 1st, and then the high temperature, the low temperature going across from left to right. And right now, Central Park is actually averaging 1.8 degrees above normal. But how we got there is just like a roller coaster. I mean, we were 39 on April 2nd. That's 14 degrees below the mean temperature for the day. And then you look at a day like May 7th and 8th, where we had 72 and 70 respectively for those 2 days, quite warm against the average. So it's a roller coaster ride, but we actually have been running above normal for the month of April, and that will probably continue in all likelihood, even though it's kind of a bumpy road once again this week. And to show you exactly what I mean, first of all, before we get to the models, let's take a look at what's going on right now. We have some showers around, and they are bubbling up all over the place. So we're gonna be dodging some showers until the sun goes down. You can see how they just kind of flare up on the radar. This is due to very unstable cold air aloft, and this happens a lot in the spring and the fall. And this is what we're dealing with right now, as we look at the radar picture. So showers from time to time, especially the next few hours, and then the sun will go down, and that'll take care of that. Atmosphere is more stable tomorrow, and we are setting ourselves up for a beauty on Tuesday. So the weather models roll along. This is the GFS model, and you can see that we clear it out for tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to make a run at 70 to 75 in and around the city, with upper 60s elsewhere. A gorgeous day for Tuesday, with west winds prevailing and a more stable atmospheric profile overall. And then by Wednesday afternoon, we're going to look to see a line of showers and thunderstorms move through. And we actually have a threat of thunderstorms, a marginal one, but definitely a threat with this sharp cold front that's going to come through. And you can see on the back side over western New York, that's snow. So this spring pattern, it has its ups and downs, especially the further north and west you go, well away from the tri-state area. And it gets windy Wednesday night and Thursday. And we go from 60s on Wednesday to lower 50s on Thursday with a wicked west wind. Could be gusting up to 40 miles an hour on Thursday. It's going to feel a lot cooler. And then we set ourselves up for a dry Thursday and Friday. And then we're going to have to watch a storm for late in the weekend. I think Saturday we'll get away with a decent day. And then by Sunday, low pressure is going to try to make a run out of Sunday afternoon and a Sunday night. And this may provide the area with a soaking rain, ½ inch to an inch at least, depending on how far north that low pressure area gets, will determine, where the heaviest rain sets up. And then a quieter weather pattern as we go into early next week. We're almost to May, almost. But last week of April will at least start off relatively quiet. Now, when we look at the temperatures, Tuesday looking really good with highs generally 70 to 75. I think in the warmer spots to make a run at 75. And then Wednesday, arriving clouds with those late afternoon showers and thunderstorms, turning very windy Wednesday night and Thursday. And then look at the difference in temperatures. 53 on Thursday with a wicked wind. It's going to feel like it's in the 40s, so definitely have the heavier jacket for Thursday. But then we bounce right back up. And we're back up into the lower 60s on Friday. Saturday looks like a decent day. Highs maybe making a run at 70 before rain moves back in for Sunday. So it's an up and down weather pattern, but we have managed to stay above normal for the month, and it looks like that's going to continue, albeit there will be bumps in the road, as it were, but not a bad 10 days shaping up once we get past Wednesday with the rain and Thursday with the winds and much chillier temperatures. So keep an eye on that system for late Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. That'll be our next threat of rain once we get past Wednesday.